Sigrid, so can you please explain what's happened? What? What's that?
Took my money.
What took your money?
This vending machine.
Why? What do you want from the vending machine?
Pepsi Man.
Why do you want Pepsi bags?
Because I want one!
So really? Did it really take your money?
Yes. Stop it!
Secret, how does this make you feel?
It's making me feel angry. I'm like, Pepsi Man.
Maybe if you bang it some more, you'll get your Pepsi Max. You know what you should do? You should shove your hand in, like, inside it.
You can't come. And you can't touch anything. This is drinking up. Oh, I feel something wet.
What'd you say? You felt something wet?
Shut up, Leanne. That's from my drink.
First world problems, right here.
What's happening? Very gentle.
I like this. Okay.
So wait, Hansel, can you walk me through this fashion choice?
Yeah, sure.
Outfit of the day. Outfit of the day.
No.